Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles. Come join me this time as we unbox and take a closer look at this Toyota Hilux by Ebbro. Okay, before we begin, I would like to tell you a little something about Ebbro. Okay, Ebbro is a Japanese company that makes diecast cars. Started way back late 1990s. Okay, they produce 143 scale cars, very good ones, and very much sought after by collectors. Okay, and what I've read, Ebbro filed for bankruptcy last year, 2024. Okay, and I was a bit surprised to find out that Ebbro still around making this. Okay, but smaller models, 164 scale models. Okay, but this one is made in collaboration with Whelart. Okay, Whelart is a Chinese company, diecast company, that also makes diecast models in larger scales. Okay, they make 118 scale models. Okay, and I'm really glad that Ebbro is back, and now they produce this Hilux, as well as I think they also made some Toyota Prado, Land Cruiser Prado models, also in 164 scale. Anyway, that's a little something from Ebbro and Whelart. Okay, so going on to the model. Okay, model comes inside a box, inside an acrylic case. Okay, windowed box. Very well see what's inside. This is the Nebula Blue Toyota Hilux. Also came out with the red version. Okay, if you got a chance, might as well grab it. Okay, on the back it says Ebbro and a couple of things. Okay, produced by MMP Limited in Japan. Okay, that's a website. Okay, and it says here Nebula Blue Metallic in Toyota Hilux. Okay, so let's open this one up. Okay, while opening this, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram pages for more diecast pics and reels. Okay, we're featuring this soon. Okay, well, inside the box, nothing else. Okay, as I've said, model sits on a acrylic base. Okay, that's a lone screw at the bottom. Acrylic base with a clear acrylic cover. Okay, oh, there's some sticky tape here. Okay, try to remove that. Okay, set one aside. Sorry about that. Okay, here comes the model. Ooh, okay, base itself. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, base itself is just plain plastic. Okay, no markings, nothing. Okay, so I've said, model secured by a lone screw. Okay, trying to remove this one. Okay, setting this one aside. There you go. Ooh, very nice. Okay, nice one. Nice. Okay, so started off. This is the Toyota Hilux made by Ebbro and Whelart. Okay, very good. Nebula Blue. Okay, 164 scale, full diecast body with a plastic base. More about that later. Started off. Okay, model sits on rubber threaded tires. Oh, rather, sorry. Didn't got any thread on the rubber tires. Okay. With plastic wheels. Okay, very good designs. Has some details on them. Could have been better. Nonetheless, really good. Okay. Model rolls smoothly. Okay, nice. Very nice. All four wheels. Let's take a look. Okay, very good. Okay, start it off on the sides. Okay, you could see panel lines. Okay, kind of shallow, but it's okay. Very well see. Good details. Got clear windows. Black trimmings on the B pillar. Okay. Since it's clear windows, you could see what's inside. Very nicely made. Okay. Door handles are part of the mold. Painted black silver. Okay. For the details, got a Hilux logo on the door. Fuel lid, gas tank cover. Okay, there. And the side mirrors. Okay, side mirrors are made out of plastic with some reflective stickers. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, this one has got good details on them. Okay, first off, talking about headlights. Headlights are clear plastic with some details inside. Very nice. Both sides. Front grille, silver markings, silver details with the Toyota logo. Okay. Since talking about the Toyota logo, you can see in the box. Oh, no markings or indications if it's really an official licensed product. But I believe this one is, okay, since it's made by Ebbro, it's a Japanese brand. Okay. More details on the front bumper, as you can see. Bumper grills are good. Okay, has some details on the front bumper as well. Silver trims and black fog lamps. Okay, very good. Okay, moving on to the hood. Not much details, but the Nebula Blue paint is very good. Okay, nicely done. Okay, little bit of dust. Okay, and before moving on, okay, you can see, since this is a right-hand drive model, okay, based on a Japanese model of a Toyota Hilux. Okay, this one came with fender lamps, or rather fender side mirrors. This one. Okay, you could only see this on Japanese models. Okay, Japanese cars. Okay, and this part is very much sought after by Hilux fans, putting it on their Hilux pickup trucks, okay, to have a JDM look to it. Okay. Moving on to the roof. Okay, has some details on the roof. No antennas. Okay, this model Hilux variant do come with a pole type antenna on top, but for this model they didn't put any. Okay, moving on to the rear bed. Okay, rear bed still same color as the body, good details on them. Okay. Has some plastic roll bars, very good details on them. sides, very nice. And moving on to the rear part. Rear tail lights are plastic inserts, colored red. No details on the inside. Okay. Tailgate has the Toyota logo, the big Toyota sign. On this side is Toyota, on their side is a Hilux. And the tailgate lever also has details with silver stickers. And what irks me off is the quality here. It's supposed to be a third brake light, but somehow I think this is a sticker. Oh yes, it is a sticker. Somehow quality control guys skip this one. Okay, sticker was placed not straight. Anyway, rear bumper has a Hilux license plate, colored silver, very nice. And you can see has some mud guards. We got the plastic there. All four wheels. Four wheel wells have mud guards on them. Okay, very nice. Okay, moving on to the interiors. Okay, as we mentioned, front windshield, all windows are clear. You can very well see what's inside. Okay, has some very good details on them. Right hand drive model, steering wheel, dashboard has details on them, including the seats, gear shift levers. Okay, are also detailed, but could have been better if interiors were painted to have the details come out. Okay, it's only painted black. Anyway, still good. Moving on to the chassis. Okay, this one is a plastic base. Okay, secured with 2 screws. Okay, very good for customizing it. Okay, maybe do some wheel swaps. Okay, and also details. You can see the front IFS or independent front suspension, some details. Okay, you can see the propeller shaft going to the rear differential. Okay, rear axles. Okay, solid ones, good details on them. Has also details for the exhaust system, but unfortunately no mufflers. Okay, or rather there is a muffler, but painted black, this one. Okay, very good, very good. Spare tire, dummy one, part of the mold. Okay, no details on them. Okay, so very good model, very solid model. Okay, let's compare this one with another Hilux model that I have. Well, I do have a lot of Hilux models, but for this particular one, I'm going to bring this one up. Okay, this one is the Hilux model from Tarmac Works. This is the Finke Rally edition, or the model based on the Finke Rally, Toyota Hilux that competed in the Finke Rally. Okay, this one is from Tarmac Works. Okay, I did an unboxing of this a couple of years ago. If you wanna check it out, I'm going to leave a link down below. Okay, very good one. Roughly the same size. Okay, both of them are the same size. Okay, let's do this. Okay, side by side. Okay, roughly the same. That's the front, and on the sides, okay, and on the rear. Cannot compare them directly because since this is a sport one, okay, a rally car competed in a rally event. Okay, that's some good details on them. Okay, but don't worry, we're going to unbox another Tarmac Works model soon. Okay, let me first find it. Okay, here it is. Been waiting for this. Okay, this is another one from Tarmac Works, Toyota Hilux with some overlanding gear. Okay, going to unbox this soon, okay, for you. But going back to this one, okay, very good model. Okay, so there you have it, the Toyota Hilux Nebula Blue Metallic by Ebbro. Okay, hope you guys like this. I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little cars, big passion. Little cars, big passion. Big passion.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.